Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up a blog. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security. Now click on a blog and choose Enable at the bottom. Following that, you can click on Lock Screen Password or Create Custom PIN to lock your apps. I will go with Custom PIN, so when I click, I need to create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Following that, you can answer this security question or tap on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on Custom Question and create your own. Then hit OK in order to save it, and remember to answer it correctly below. Then hit Finish at the bottom right corner. You can also hit OK in Use Face Recognition pop-up to unlock your apps thanks to Face Recognition feature. If you don't want to do it, tap on Cancel. Finally, click on the switcher next to apps that you wish to lock and hit Home button. So now when I try to access one of them, sorry, I literally can't find it. Oh, sorry. So when I tap on Booking, for example, icons that PIN is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from this app, access exactly the same settings, Security, App Lock, enter your custom PIN or screen lock, and tap on blue sweater next to your closed app. In order to disable app lock completely, select this gear at the top right corner and tap on Disable App Lock at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Following that, enter your custom PIN one more time or login method. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!